Now with this question we've been asked to prove that the triangle ABD, that triangle there, is congruent to triangle CBD, this second triangle here. Now we've been given that angle A and angle C both equal to 90 degrees, and that the side AD, this side here, is equal to the side CD. Now that's indicated by the double dash there, meaning that they are equal in length. Now for any sort of proof, you need to say three things. So we're either after SSS, SAS, side angle side, this one side side side, this one side angle side, angle side, or right angle hypotenuse side. Now oftentimes when you've got a right angle in there, it's a bit of a clue. It's not always, but it's a bit of a clue that you're looking for this fourth one, RHS. So the way a proof is usually set up, we say in triangle ABD and triangle CBD, we should say three things. Those three things should match up with these initials that we're using. So the first thing that we can say is that angle A is equal to angle C. We've been given that. And so we write given angle. And in this case, it's a right angle. The next thing we can say is that the hypotenuse, which is DB, hopefully you can see that DB is that side there. And that side is common to both triangles. So we say is a common side. And it is also a hypotenuse. We might put in brackets there because that helps us with our proof saying that that's the H part. The last thing we can say is that we've got two corresponding sides that are equal. And again, we've been given that. We've been given that AD, the side here with two dashes on it, is equal to the side CD. And that's a given side. The last part of a proof is writing the congruent statement. We say therefore triangle ABD, not sure why it's doing that, is congruent to 3, so 3, triangle CBD, CBD is better, that might work, no, you're wanting to work on that but not on that, good, CBD, and we write RHS. Okay. Now, it's usually a half mark for each of those and a half mark for the congruent statement if it's out of 2 marks. Now, some people will like to write that the side AB is equal to the side CB. Now, that is true because they are congruent triangles, and now that we've proven that, we can say that those sides are equal. However, this cannot be used in a proof because we have not been given that. So what we've been asked to do is prove that the triangles are congruent, and the only way that we can prove that they are congruent is by using sides that we do know are equal in length or angles that we do know are corresponding and equal.